Now that I have my measuring tape, my shingle gauge, we can gauge the shingle. It's your 3-tab. You're gonna see here, it's gonna rate as a 20-year 3-tab. Obviously, everyone in the industry knows 20-year 3-tabs have not been in production for quite some time. Kind of just a leader to the fact that when we measure this shingle out, I'm not gonna be able to find a shingle anywhere near these dimensions. This is 35 7/8 by 12 inches. The tab lengths are 11 and 11/16, and your exposure is going to be 5 inches. Now to simulate this repair, because I'm not going to be able to find the shingle, I'm just going to insert this shingle back in to see what happens to the other shingles. Now I need to make sure some of these staple fasteners that didn't come up with the shingles all get removed so that we can get the shingle back in. Okay. There we go. So that's how you would insert the shingle. Now if I try to get a different line of shingles that's going to come at a larger length, you'll see these fit exactly. There's not wiggle room, there's no extra half inch, there's no extra inch. So when trying to find a shingle that's suitable for repairs here, it's going to be basically impossible. We will search to see if it is possible, but judging off the measurements, I haven't seen a shingle of those dimensions in years. Now, we'll have to reapply the fasteners back into the same 2 rows that they were removed, but now we're gonna have to install nails per code and 5 nails per shingle. And you have to start here at the end of the shingle. Now, here, you'll see here, because they use staples, my ends of the shingle where these fasteners should be installed are not gonna be able to be applied to. So I'm gonna have to nail in further off the shingle than we're supposed to, just so that I have a strong surface to nail to. Because we're getting blow through on all the shingles above it from the staples. Now, the end of this shingle's here, so I wanna go and hit that one, and we're just gonna lift the shingles enough to access the nailer board. I need to reapply here off the nailer board. We've got the end of this shingle. Let's get that one in now. The other fastener, okay, so we can apply it here. 3. Stay away from the old fastener hole. 4. Other fastener hole. And we go back down to this row of shingles here. Again, we're gonna have to go away from where we're supposed to nail on the end, just to get a strong surface area. And again here. And you can see when we're doing this, we're trying to only get room for this to not hit the shingle when I'm applying the nail. If I hit that shingle, I'm gonna take a giant chunk of it out. 1, 2, 3 more nails. And we do this with the standard installation tool for shingles. So if I try and use a nail gun, I'm gonna have to lift these shingles at a much higher rate. And I don't want to damage them if I don't have to. Now we want to check the shingles above and see, you'll see all the granule loss that's coming off of these shingles, and you'll see the creasing in the shingles from trying to lift to do those repairs. Now, let's see, yeah. I'm not sure how easy it's going to be to view those in the video. We'll take some after photos as well. You can see all the degranulation and creasing in that shingle, because these shingles are just no longer pliable, which doesn't mean that they're suitable to be repaired. So just to do this repair, I've now damaged that shingle, that one, I'll mark them. There's damage here over, this one, and this one. And that's gonna cascade up the roofing system at every single point that we do the repairs. That's if we could find the shingle, but based off the measurements, I'm not gonna be able to find this shingle. We can pull a report, just let us know what you'd like us to do, but as of now, this repair test has definitely failed, even with the right shingle. Thank you.